sharpen drill bits or buy new ones? If you had asked me this about a month ago, I would probably have said, I'll buy new ones. Honestly, I've had my drill bit set for a long time now and I never sharpened them myself because it seems so hard to do. All angles must be correct or the drill will not cut as it should. That's why I made this jig so that even a rookie like me can sharpen drills. In fact, the drill that you saw in the intro is the first one that I sharpened myself in my entire life. So if I can do it, you can do it. If you want to build this jig yourself, you can download the plans for free on my website. But first I will show you how I built this jig and demonstrate how it works. I'm also going to try something new in this video, so make sure to watch the complete video and don't miss it. made a mistake here. As you can see, the jig is higher than the bench grinder, and when I put the drill in place, it doesn't touch the grinding wheel. So I have to find a solution for that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I made this test setup using some pieces of scrap wood to lift the grinder. Now the drill makes contact with the grinding wheel at the right angle, but by doing this I found another problem. This part of the jig touched the wood that I used to lift the grinder, so I have to work around that, but I know exactly how to fix this. Problem is solved and the jig is almost ready now. All I need are some knobs to keep the jig in the right position. To connect the jig with the bench grinder, I will make some knobs with this jig. To keep the jig in the right angle, I will make another type of knobs that is even smaller than the knobs that I can make with this one. It's something new that I have in mind, so let's hope it works. You were inspired by this video, and if you want to build this jig yourself, you can download the plans on my website for free. If you want to support my work, you can go to my Etsy store and buy my products. That way I can keep uploading free content and free plans for you. But before you do, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.